What's going on YouTube? It's the Sacred Snakes here back. It's an unboxing video. Today what we have is a unboxing. So yeah, so honestly, let me see what is right. It's back here, so let's hope this is what I think it is. Stab, 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 stab. So I ordered this from a kid on a Supreme boot. Yeah. And yeah, so why not unbox it? Because it's a new pickup. And here it is. It's literally a Supreme knife. A little mini Supreme, what's it called? Let me see if I can take this out of the package. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. Damn, it's still in it. I don't know if I want to take this out. I'll open it later. But yeah, anyways, it is a Supreme butterfly knife. And yeah, so yeah, these are pretty hard to find, I guess. I've only seen two in there for about 60 bucks. So yeah, subscribe to my Supreme, simply pick up some gaming videos.